Yat ebeno metagapi. You are witnessing snow winter at its best. This is the finest you'll ever see, and my weight is all buried. So you got the boys in their pajamas still. The snow outside is crazy. Look at that. Literally buried in snow. So obviously we're not going nowhere. We're gonna be in the house for days. And it's another day, another Vlogmas. So day number 7, I believe. We're gonna try to do our best to entertain ourselves, to keep ourselves occupied. And what more do I need to say? But just enjoy it with us. If you're gonna live in the north, and pretty much what's in our fridge. Don't look like it's much, but don't let that fool you. We are pretty well stocked. Like it's Y2K. We got a freezer down here. We got food. We got another fridge in there. So don't let that fool you. We are pretty well stocked. I got a bunch of bluebird flower up there and whatnot. So yeah, if you are ever caught in a snowstorm like us, which I think we're used to it, but not really. Just be prepared ahead of time. We went to town day before this snowstorm hit us, and we stocked up on groceries and water and pretty much everything that we're going to be utilizing for the next couple of days.
So probably I'm gonna drink coffee first of all. Finish editing my photos and play Mario Kart probably. Take care of the boys.
Well, the boys are occupied. I'm gonna go do my morning routine and once again the mat and the dumbbell, because I don't got nothing else to work with but just the dumbbell and my body weight. Let's make the best of it. Alright relatives, I just got done with my morning workout, and I'm gonna go get dressed, get ready for a day, and we'll go from there again.
So I took apart all of my tree, and of course, look at the boys. So I'm gonna redecorate. I decided, I want to take a break from editing. I'm gonna redecorate. Thinking about moving the tree over here so they won't be trying to knock it over.
A mission came up. Lakota Bay wants to move the Christmas tree from over there since the boys keep on destroying it. So she wants to move it over here. So we're gonna move everything from here to there, the Christmas tree over here. So at least it'll be something to occupy our minds. Well, we ran into a dilemma. The tree is, I think when the boys knocked it over yesterday, they knocked out a section of the top is not lighting. So yeah, we're still trying to go figure that out. But in the meantime, lunch is almost here. So I'm gonna prepare my fried bread skills here. So like I said, you guys want to know how to make Navajo fried bread, subscribe and join our Patreon. Lunch, we're going to eat the leftovers from last night. Put that there. My bread is underway. It's gonna rise probably about another 20-15 minutes. Quick update, they're asleep and they'll probably be out for a while. The snow is still crazy out there, and yeah, we're gonna continue doing our thing. Alright, we're almost done. This is the last bread. It's the last fried bread, and there's my stack there. And the leftovers here. We're watching your boy Norm's vlogs. He dropped a new one. He's talking about Hope's fried bread.
Decorating the tree as I go. Boys just woke up, so I got all freaky. Yeah, this is my progress. I'm just going slowly. I don't know if I'll decorate the bottom.
From outside, still no difference. We're still covered in snow. So that's probably about 1, 2, 3, 4 foot of snow. So yeah, no travel is advised on the reservation. So everybody's home. Hopefully everybody's home. We just had dinner. Boys are all awake. Lakota Bay is still working on their tree. And I am going to be playing some Call of Duty. Mobile, those of you that don't know it. If you have an iPhone, I recommend you get one and add me. This is my setup. So I got my controller. It's Bluetooth. So you start that. And you play online against other players from around the world. This is how I kill time here around here, and yeah, so let's get it, and you're welcome.
Hardpoint
Pretty
identified.
Cool.
Enemies too close. Fight harder.
The tree looks really beautiful now. She's got it decked up from the heels on up to the head. Right now we're keeping a close eye on this guy right there. He inches his way to the tree, so no. So we know his game plan. So that's pretty much how our evening is going. Our day is day number 2 being inside the house during a blizzard. We just about seen the sun today for about just about 30 minutes. We got somewhat of a sunlight in the house, but then after that it was just dark and gloomy again. So yeah, this is kind of feels like it's a diary right now. How to survive in a blizzard indoors and how to keep yourself occupied. So you guys see, this is pretty much how I'm keeping myself occupied. You got the boys, whenever they need us to play with them, we play with them. And Lakota Bay doing her thing. She's editing, then she takes a break. She goes over to her tree. She, touches up her tree, does something else, then she comes back to editing. So we have our own little routine going, But above all, this is just how it is. Just take notes if you guys are ever in a blizzard like this. Be prepared ahead of time and know what you are going to utilize during the time you are locked in. I wonder if it feels like this being in jail, you know what I mean? I don't know. Probably worse actually. I don't know why I said that, but I sometimes I don't feel that way, but I imagine during these long winter nights when there's a blizzard, we can't travel, we can't go outside, there's no sunlight. I wonder if that's how inmates feel, but
All dramatic.
I know, just all dramatic. Okay, all right, enough of that. We're gonna get back to gaming. Peace out. relatives. Honestly, I really don't know like what else to vlog. Like, everybody knows our house looks like, everybody knows how we look, what the twins are doing, and yeah, so pretty much I don't know what else to say or do, but it is what it is. This is actual real life of Navajo man and Lakota Bay. So yeah, true story. This is pretty much a diary right now as we speak. And nothing really interesting. Like, everybody is always like, oh, you guys must be like very interesting to hang out with every day, and like really it just be the kids and us all day, and we just try to make our time here interesting, especially if on a snow day like this. This is crazy, but it is what it is. If you know, you know. But above all, hopefully tomorrow we get to see some sun. I am missing the sun. I also want to, I mean, pretty much we are all missing the sun, but I just can't wait to get my tan back on, ready to go outside with my loincloth, I know, but it feels like we've been in the house for weeks, or if not months. So right now I gotta keep my sanity down, so pray for thy father. Just kidding. For the rest of the evening, we're just going to relax. I'm gonna continue editing. I'm on YouTube right now editing, and the boys is just gonna be riding their little toys around. And it's about 9 o'clock right now, so probably another hour they'll be ready for bed. Lakota Bay is editing off and on, and she's just relaxing on the couch right now. So you can say it was a productive day today for us. Above all, thank you guys, thank you. We appreciate the support. Hit that like button, follow us on social media on all platforms. It's all linked in the description down below. And Christmas is coming close every day, so we'll see y'all soon. Merry Christmas.